comprehensively refined, the Genesis G90 may be equipped with a memory seat system. The memory seat system allows you to adjust and store custom seating positions for front and rear occupants. The front seats in your Genesis G90 can be adjusted manually by using the control switches located on the outside of the seat cushion. Before adjusting your seating position, be sure the vehicle is in park and the parking brake is set. For forward and rearward adjustment of the entire seat, push this control switch. To tilt the seat cushion, pull or press the front portion of this switch in a vertical fashion. To adjust the overall height of the seat, pull or press the rear portion of the same switch in a vertical fashion. The seat back angle is adjusted by pressing this button towards the front or rear. To adjust the seat lower cushion extension, push this switch forward or rearward. This button can be used to increase or decrease the power headrest position, as well as move it up or down. The lumbar support has 4 directions of adjustment in a single button. To increase the arch of the lumbar support, press this side of the button. To decrease, press this side of the button. The height of the lumbar can be adjusted by pressing here to increase and here to decrease. Some models may be equipped with a seat side bolster adjustment feature. To adjust the seat side bolsters, turn the lever clockwise to tighten the bolster and counterclockwise to widen. To begin storing specific seat positions, the vehicle will need to be in park and in the on position. For the driver, adjust the seat position, side mirrors, steering wheel, and head-up display, then press and hold one of the memory buttons until you hear 2 audible beeps. Depending on which button was pressed, you should see that the driver's settings have been saved on the infotainment screen. For each driver profile, you can save up to 3 positions for each front occupant and 2 for the rear seats, although only the drivers will show confirmation on the infotainment screen. After setup, simply press the memory button to change the seat position to that particular setting. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.